I bought a $50 Lego car today. We'll rebuild this Lego car and do awesome experiments with it. Let's start by making the logs. I've got 250 pieces scattered all over the table right now, and honestly, it looks like we're about to start construction on a small Lego city. But first things first, we're building the chassis because every great car needs a solid backbone. This thing is going to be tougher than a buffalo wearing steel armor. Once it's ready, we'll take it on some epic adventures, like driving through mud, splashing through water, and hopefully not sinking like a Lego submarine. It's going to be wild, hilarious, and totally awesome. Right now, we've designed our chassis to look like this, and honestly, I think it's pretty cool, and also slightly looks like something built by a Lego mad scientist. But we're not stopping here. Now it's time to grab some of those tiny little lug pieces, the kind that always disappear under the sofa, and start attaching them to turn this simple frame into a massive, awesome, please don't fall apart Lego car. Once we add the small pieces, this build is gonna look so powerful that even real cars might start getting jealous. So let me tell you something, Lego is like a magical world that humans still haven't managed to build in real life. I mean, you can't just walk outside and build a spaceship, a monster truck, and a medieval castle in the same afternoon. But with Lego, totally possible. And I personally love the things I build myself. There's nothing more satisfying than snapping that last brick in place and feeling like a master engineer. Do you like the things you build too? If you've ever made something awesome, tell me in the comments. I want to know what kind of Lego genius you are. Anyway, now it's time to start building the upper part of our vehicle, which is going to be a bit taller, kind of like giving the car a Lego skyscraper haircut. It's going to look epic. I'm building a Lego rear bumper, and let me tell you, this thing is basically the car's superhero shield. If our Lego car ever crashes, this bumper will jump in like, don't worry, I got this, and save the day. With it attached, our car is going to be so safe that even a head-on accident will feel like a gentle Lego handshake. Safety first, even in the Lego universe. Now let's add some music to this build, because building Lego without music is like dancing without rhythm. So we'll turn on some awesome beats and start building piece by piece, brick by brick, like a DJ mixing the perfect track. With the music playing, you and I are going to enjoy this build so much that even the Lego pieces might start dancing on the table. Let's groove, build, and create the coolest Lego car ever.